In this video, I will show you how to make this type of painting reels for your Instagram. So I will show you in my mobile screen. So to make this video, we need one application, that is Rezel. I will add the app link in my video description. So once you open this application, click on this red circle here, you can see on the middle. Then by default you will see this photo painting templates. So if you don't see, click on search and search it as painting. Then here you will find a painting template. Just click on this one and click on create a video. So once you will click on this, you need to select a photo that you want to use it, and after selecting, your video is ready. Click on save. This video will be saved to your phone gallery. Open your Instagram application and search for my this account. Here you can see the username in my screen, and go to my recent reels, and here you can see it's loading. Here I have used a audio. So why to use this audio? Because here you can see there is an arrow icon. This audio is on trending. So select your video that you have saved from that app and use this audio for posting. Okay, so from here select this video and post it in your Instagram reels. So I hope this video was useful for you.